Emmy here. And we have our very first bark box. So I'm gonna give everything to Emmy, let her sniff it, see it, and we're gonna get her reaction. She's 12-week-old English Mastiff, almost 13 weeks. So this is her first bark box. It's the Bark Buster Movie Night box. It's super cute. I'm sensing a theme here. So the first thing, Emmy's gonna get the chomp corn. Ready, Emmy? What do you think? Do you like this? Mild interest, I'll say. Next we have this one. I think is super cute. The Bark Buster, and it has a Velcro. Drool Intentions. I think she's very interested in this one. It passes the sniff test. We'll give that to her in a minute. We'll see her play on the floor. Then she also has this one, Pet Licks Remote. Oh, I think she's gonna like that one too. Oh, right in the mouth. There we go. Emmy likes it. And then these snacks, I'm not sure if they're age appropriate. We'll check into it. We'll see. But she got Wakey Wakey Soft Bakes and Magic Jerky bags, bars. So both of these are pretty good. I'll check the ages. I like that they give some snack packs on the back. So this one says crumble over the top of her, or leftover at the bottom of the bag, sprinkle it over the top of your dog's food. That's a good idea. And this one says you can basically make a popsicle with these in the middle. That's a cool idea. And this is a pumpkin and honey recipe chew stick. So I'm gonna see if any of these are good for her age. So this is intended for large dogs up to or over 50 pounds. So we'll save that one. She's not quite 50 pounds yet. Right now she's able to get 1 to 2 of these a day. So we'll probably start her with one of these. What do you guys want to see? Okay, let's see. You want a snack? Okay, here she is with the bar. Let's see if she likes that. Good girl. And then here this is. I think Emmy gives this box 4 paws. Emmy? Emmy, do you give it 4 paws? Hey, do you give this 4 paws? Okay, we'll see you next week. So I do pay for the bark box. We are not sponsored or affiliated in any way, but if you do sign up using my referral code, Emmy will get a free box. So go ahead and do that if you're interested. We really have enjoyed receiving these, and we'll keep sharing with you what we get. Gotta keep her entertained.